Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Umuthi senators maigirire thiini wa cikaro cia bunge meyohete itambaya ndune ari njira ya kuonania nyitaniri wao na family ya Sharon Otieno uria woragirwo na njira ya unyamu na mwiri wake ugiteo githaka. Ndeto ino ni oigirwo muhari-ini wa mbere miaraho ya umuthi bunge-ini ino nderetirite manirio ni senator wa guthukio Naomi Jilo.
Thank you, Senator Naomi, for bringing the plight of Sharon to this house.
Senators aria marumireire makirugama na murugamo mwe wa kuhinyiriria honge cio thuthuria ithi na mbere kugatha guoko ona gutigirira gutire mundu hutanitie na guko kia murutwo uyu ugutigwo na thutha uthuthuria-ini wao.
We must put an end. The person who killed Sharon should not be treated like a normal person. Should be treated like an animal. Jail them.
It is wrong. There is no faith. There is no tradition. There is no religion that condones killing. But when we have a government that doesn't take action, there is no solution we're going to get.
Uhoro wegi kundi njikirire mukana iria ikoretwo ikiyomba na kuhaithia muingi thiini wa counties thinatigwo na thutha. Senators aya makiendekithia uhoro uyu urorwo kuona ikundi ici nicikoretwo igikomborwo na igatabania ciiko cia njuragano thiini wa icigo itiganite cia bururi.
It is unfortunate that our counties are now become rogue, and in fact, we have suffered in before through a rogue county government, and I hope our counties are not turning into den of criminals and murderers, Madam Speaker. Therefore, I hope the agencies necessary, they'll move with speed and ensure that the perpetrators, real perpetrators, are arrested.
These governors have now made thuggery become legitimate. Unless we deal with it as a Senate, the voices of dissent in counties are going to be ended up.
Unless we handle this impunity in this country. I am happy that today we are wearing red because this country is actually in red. We are on the red light.
Kurigana na mutongoria wa aria nini thiini wa bunge no James Orengo ciiko ici ikoretwo ikihanika kuna kaigi andu aria maikio ngono magikuruhania na ciiko ta ici matikinyukagirio makinyaniru ma kiwatho na muno angikorwo ni andu mari na igweta.
You cannot kill without leaving a footprint. Even Ouko, when he was killed, he left a footprint. But it is those who are in charge of law enforcement that avoid these footprints. It is a shame for somebody like Oyamo now to be brought before the court, or the way somebody was brought before the court for killing Boya and leaving the person who was responsible.
Ndeto ino yukite thiku imwe tu thutha wa governor wa county ya Migori Okoth Bado uria gukoretwo gukirikana mari na ndugu ya kiwendo na murutwo uyu kuwa gutire itemi anyitire hari njuragano eno.
I want to state here very, very clearly and very categorically that I have nothing and absolutely nothing to do with the cruel death of Sharon.
Uthuthuria wa njuragano eno ukoretwo ugithie na mbere kwa ihinda ria makiria ma kiumia kimwe riu guku honge cio thuthuria ikihitana kuga gutire mundu hutanitie na gikuo giki ugukorwo gitigwo na thutha. Ukinyiria riu honge ici ni ireketie kuhunga mahuri andu maiganona aria maritwa mao makoretwo makigwetwo ndeto-ini ino ari hamwe na governor Okoth Bado, muteithia wake Michael Yamo o ndumwe na MCA wa hau gabere.